Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the geography chapter, that is Indian climate. So in this background you can see rainfall happening. What is this climate? So the climate of India is usually, if you see the common general climate of India, it is usually tropical monsoon type of climate. Therefore, we will be learning more about monsoon, how India's monsoon takes place, why does that happen, how it does happen. All that we will be learning about in this chapter, that is Indian climate. So let us not waste any much time. Let's start with the chapter. So again, this chapter is very big. I'll be dividing it into many parts. So I'll be telling you as it at those points itself. However, when I have to do the module cutting. So first is now the climate of India. As I told you, it is generally tropical monsoon type of climate. But still, you know the in every region to region, place to place, there is variation in climate. Why does that happen? It is because of some factors. These variations are expressed in terms of patterns of winds, temperature, rainfall, season, degree of dryness, wetness. These may change from place to place. Why does that happen? However, the states have a similar climate, that is tropical monsoon climate, but still it is so that the regional variations take place. Sorry. Yeah. Now, temperature distribution or variation. We have many such examples where the temperature changes. Barmar in Rajasthan has about 48 to 50 degrees Celsius in June, while Pahalgam or Gulmarg in Kashmir has about 22 degrees Celsius only. On the same day, the Dras Valley in Kargil has about minus 40 degrees Celsius also. Now, Kerala has a tropical warm climate, moist air is there. But the Punjab, which is there, it has a very continental type of climate, severe heat, severe cold. Kargil can record temperature of minus 40 degrees Celsius in December, while Kerala does it only about 20 to 22 degrees Celsius. The annual temperature range of Malabar coast is about 3 degrees Celsius, but in interior the variations take place about of 20 degrees Celsius. The diurnal range, that is the difference of temperature between day and night, in Andaman or Kerala is about 8 degrees Celsius. In deserts, it is 25 to 30 degrees Celsius of change per day. So why is it all happening? The precipitation distribution or variation in rainfall. We have the regions of high rainfall as like Cherrapunji and Mausanram in Meghalaya has about 1100 centimeters rainfall annually, while in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan, only 9 centimeters of rainfall it receives. Tura in Meghalaya has 10 times of rainfall of Jaisalmer, which has only 1/10 of Tura. Ganga Delta coastal plains of Odisha hit by strong storms every third or fifth day. But Coromandel coast is dry during that time, which is about July to August. Most India receives rainfall from June to September, but Tamil Nadu coast is very different. It receives rainfall in winter. So this is why is this all happening? Let's learn about these factors that affect the Indian climate, but not now, in the next module. Till now, let us have a break. Thank you.